How to bulk delete or bulk archive Instagram posts, reels or videos. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can bulk delete or bulk archive Instagram posts, reels or videos. Okay, straight into it. First, open up the Instagram app and go to your profile page. Next, tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Then tap Your Activity. Select Photos and Videos. Now, select either Posts, Reels or Videos. Here you'll see all of your posts that fall under that category. You can sort your posts by tapping Sort and Filter. Choose the sort from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. You can also filter by when the post was published. Select the start date and end date for the time period that you want to see posts from. Then tap Apply. You can reset all filters by tapping on Reset. Then tap Apply. To select multiple posts to delete or archive, tap Select. Then tap Posts to select them. At the bottom, tap Archive to archive these posts and remove them all from your feed without permanently deleting them, or select Delete if you want to fully remove them. Any content you've archived can be found in the Archive section of your activity. Posts you've recently deleted can be found under Recently Deleted in your activity. Posts that were deleted within the last 30 days can be restored from here. After 30 days, deleted posts will be permanently erased. And that's all it takes to bulk delete or bulk archive Instagram posts, reels or videos. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.